Let's look at staging payments by type. Since we know that one order can be paid with multiple payment types, this particular model gives us the amount paid by each method for a particular order ID. The source is dev payments. No joins here. We will create the staging payments by type model in the staging schema. The transformations in this model are fairly involved. Let's look at them. First is we'll add new columns based on the payment type. So we are splitting out the column based on the payment type. We will create a new column called credit card amount. Normally this is 0, but if the payment method is credit card, then we take the value from amount in dollars. Similarly for coupon amount, bank transfer and gift card amount as well. What we do here is we look at the column called payment method. Based on its value, we assign a value to these newly created columns. Then we have aggregations grouped by order ID. We create a credit card total column, which is the sum of credit card amount. Similarly, we create for coupon total, bank transfer total, gift card total as well. These are new columns. And then we finally create a total amount in dollars column, which is the sum of amount in dollars. And finally, we sort by order ID. What this leads us to is a model which looks like this. For each order ID, we have different columns that specify what amount was paid by payment method. And then we also have total amount in dollars as well. Now let's look at how to get this model done in Visitran. Let's create a staging model which will give us by order ID what different payment methods were used, or rather what was the split of payments by payment type. So someone must have done, like, let's say a bank transfer plus a coupon, something like that. So we're gonna do exactly that. We will add a new model. We will call this model staging payments by type. Click on it to configure it. So this is going to be the child of dev payments, of course. That's the main model we're gonna look at. So this is dev payments, and then we look at staging. We'll call this staging payments by type. Hit apply. Now what we are going to do is that we are going to use the Excel if formula to create columns by payment type. So now we have payment method and amount, and or amount in dollars. So what we're gonna do is that if a payment is a particular type, then we are going to create a new column for that. Otherwise we'll have it 0. So for that we need to add columns. So we will call this credit card amount, and we'll say if payment method equals credit card, we'll take the value amount in dollars, otherwise we will take 0. So let's copy this because it's useful to create other columns. We'll call this credit card amount. Yes, save. But let's just verify first. So whenever the payment method is credit card, we have amount in dollars. Otherwise, let's say for coupon, this is 0, which is how it should be working, which is great. Let's add for the other payment types. Save. Quickly verify whether it's working. Seems to be working great. Now let's add for bank transfer. This also seems to be working as expected. Let's add now for gift card. Seems to have done the job. So wherever it's gift card, we have that amount. Now let's create the aggregations required and group by order ID. So we will add an aggregator. This is going to be the sum of each of the new columns we created. So it's going to be credit card amount. We'll call this credit card total. Add an aggregator for each of the payment methods. It's also a good idea to have a total amount as well. So we will take total amount in dollars and call this total amount in dollars. Hit save. Now we should have by order ID the split across the different payment methods, but also the total. Let's check that out. There you go. This is awesome. So we have the total, for instance, for order number 87, it was $26 via credit card and $30 via gift card, and now we have $56 in the total. This seems to have worked really well. Except we might probably want to sort by order ID. Let's do that as well. We'll add a sort by order ID ascending. Perfect. This is perfect. So now we have exactly what we need. Let's also check out the SQL. Looks great. So the if formulas have been translated into SQL properly, and we also have the sums and the renames and all of that.